Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to what your time be right now. Come on your body, oh shit. How now they do for the Sunday life now? I know say some of them don't knock on a chicken now. Now they reason me. Only one small thing if you give me sadness now. Don't brimo. For the Nollywood now, the high rate of death it's too much, too much. As today be Sunday, so don't Brian no go fit follow us chop chicken. Anywhere we dey now, anywhere we dey right now, I just pray say may God grant am rest until the day when trumpet go sound. Well, opportunity for anybody wey dey alive to live right. If you know say get what you dey do and God no like am, you try to correct yourself. Yes, it's very important. All right, as it dey hot like this, just get more information what I just dey see right now for online. As I just dey browse, I just come across the information. Now the video no keep person. The video see the finest. See this thing I won't talk, so I know they offend any girl. Whether you come from Delta State, my state, whether you come from Anambra, whether you come from Enugu, whether you come from Kaduna, anywhere we come from, I don't mean to offend you, I beg. No read and wrong. But the thing funny, now the video, if you don't go blame me, you shake, come on your body, don't put that blame on me. The video say, now your wife, number one, in your wife's state, now get the finest girl, finest women for the whole Nigeria, in fact the whole Africa. I be not here away. The video say now Imo State now get the finest woman for Nigeria. Now the hear the way the matter they go now, no see some girls just the verse. You don't need to verse. Just try to the pepperly, try. One day they will give you awards, say at least your local government or your hometown or your state. They try just because of only you. Encourage the girls in your area to be doing fine. I don't know why the video talk am sure, but the details no much. But I go play the video for now. Una go see am. Come on, everybody. Oh shit, where those people now? How now they do me sef? Those people when they grip press the red subscribe button. How far now, bros? I be to for me now. Oh shit, come on, your body. I see you. All right, no time to waste. Make a show now the video right now. Come on, your body. Oh shit.
What? God damn it, man. Hey, man, I'm a married man.
Nigeria. No, they're from Imo State. Where my wife is from.
Because the Cubans were there?
Wherever my wife from, that's where the most beautiful girls are.
That's what. That man. Right, goddammit. Holy moly guacamole.
Shit.
When I don't see her, Mabi, sure that I don't see her. Like I said before, it's not to offend anybody, whether you're from Delta, irrespective of your state and local government. This video is not to insult or to offend anybody. Thank you very much. Come on, everybody. Oshe. But before I go, make I ask you one question. For the way Nigeria they hot like this, so you give your wife 10,000 naira to go market, may buy meat, organize better egusi soup. We go well with the apple. Maybe you know the check pot normally, but when you just throw go kitchen based on I don't know what you go find sha. You can't discover say now 8 meat, now the pot of soup. That one not finish you. You not do there. Your leg cost carry you. I don't know what you carry your leg. Cost go. I don't know what you carry your leg. Your leg co carry your leg. Coco apples. Coco shake. Your leg co carry your leg. Coco apples. Your leg co carry your leg. Coco apples. You can't discover say some change did there. Not be saying I just change. The change, they smell the kind perfume. Where your money will you give and go market, they smell. Wisdom. After I go take trade that kind matter. No. Wisdom. And don't forget, say she tell you say 1 naira, not the hand as at yesterday night where you come for work. This morning we give am money to go market. You don't go. Go market. You get as things be. Meat, get kobo leg. Money, don't fool our purse. Wisdom. Leave your comment on the comment section as they hot. Come on, everybody. Oh shit.